All right, what's next? Even and odd numbers. So, the idea of even and odd numbers. How do I want to explain this early on? Basically, in order for a number to be even, every, in this case, banana needs to have a partner banana, I guess. Okay? Circles aren't working, but every banana has a partner. Okay? Visually, that's what it means. It means to be even means you put it into two rows, and either, there are only two possible options. Okay? If I put a bunch of bananas in a bunch of rows, in two rows exactly, I mean, there are only two options. Either every single one of them will have a partner, or there will be exactly one banana that is very sad and lonely. And exactly one. There is no other option. You can't have two lonely bananas because they would find each other and they would be fine because, you know, this is math. If you have sort of an odd banana out, I guess, is the way I think of it. And that is what sort of helped me out, remembering that this is an odd number. Okay? Even means that every single... I was using rocks in my video. Even just means, once again, that you can put the bananas in pairs with none left over. And odd means that if you try to put all of the bananas in pairs, there is exactly one banana left over. Oh, odd number of bananas would be B. And then C, again, if you sort of look at it in your head, you can see that every banana has a partner. We are done. Determine whether the number of objects is even or odd. Well, with the beavers here, I see that one beaver is going to be alone when we get into pairs, so that's odd. With the penguins, there are two of them, so every penguin has a pair, so that is an even number. For these cute little turtles, and I love these cute little animals that they give. It makes me very happy. They kind of go away as you get higher up into Khan Academy, and that makes me really sad. Sal Khan, I know you're listening. Bring back the cute penguins and turtles in high school. Which image shows an odd number of apples? So it's much easier to tell whether something is even or odd when you put it into this, into two rows exactly, or in this case, two columns. Because you can visually see right away that there is an apple missing there. There's an apple without a partner. This one here, it's tougher to see. Like, you can sort of section it off, and you can eventually convince yourself that every apple has a partner, but it's much easier with C here. I think you can agree. So A is the only odd number that we've got. Determine whether the number of objects is even or odd. There is one pig that's alone, so that's odd. Every egg has a partner, so that's even. There is one shark alone, so that's odd. I hope that makes sense from a visual perspective. We think of even as divisible by 2 later on, but like, we haven't even talked about division yet. So knowing that an even number just means that every banana has another banana, every banana has a partner, is a very powerful way of visualizing it before we have the vocabulary to talk about it. I mean, the vocabulary is what we're learning right now, yeah?